Are you ready? And I pick this one. Hello cool crafters! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Mimi Bits Cool Craft. So today I'm going to do a request challenge. On my previous video, I had picked one of your requests randomly and turned out Haikyuu is the lucky one. So in this video, I will try to make Hinata from the anime Haikyuu. Will I be successful this time? Wish me luck! First, I have to design the plush character that I want to make so I can visualize the end result. This is how I draw the face on the fabric with a washable marker. I use Velboa fabric for the face, the head, and the body for this plush doll. And for the mouth, I use felt fabric. I use a regular paper glue stick to glue the mouth on the face. As usual, you can watch the tutorial on how to embroider the plush doll face by hand or by a basic sewing machine on my channel. I'll put the link on the description down below. I glue the outfit to the body, so it will be easier for me to sew them all together. And then I stuff the plush with polyester fiber. I'll put the link down below on how you can get these materials and how to stuff the plush head properly. I double the fabric for the hairpiece to make it more stiff and easier to arrange. I use felt fabric for the number on his shirt. So here it is. I'm so happy with the result. He is super cute. What do you think? Thanks for watching. Give thumbs up if you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you on the next video and happy sewing!